highest protection level of our products is IP65. The product in the video is M65 series, and the protection level of the series is IP55. Test time for IP55 and IP65 is 3 minutes, and the test time for IP20 and IP44 is 10 minutes. After completing the test, the inspector will observe and open the inside of the product. If there is no water in the product, or the remaining water is able to leak out from the drain hole and cause no damage or risk to the live parts, it is regarded as a qualified product.